Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable updating a Tesla wall connector using the Tesla app step by step clearly. To enable updating your Tesla wall connector using the Tesla app, start by opening the Tesla app on your ensure that you are logged into your Tesla account. Connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Tesla wall connector. Now, locate the wall connector section in the app. If your wall connector is not already selected, tap on it to select. Once selected, look for the settings icon, usually in the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon to access the device settings. Scroll down until you find the option for software updates. Select the software update option to see the current version of your wall connector. If an update is available, you will see a notification prompting you to start the installation. Tap on the update notification to begin the download. The app will show the progress of the download. Once the download is complete, you will be prompted to install the update. Confirm the installation by tapping the Install button. The wall connector may restart during the installation process. Wait for the installation to finish, which may take several minutes. You will receive a notification when the update is successfully installed. Check the software version in the app to confirm the update was applied. Your Tesla wall connector is now updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.